Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you integration by part. Some different types of integration just like e power ax cos bx plus c or e power ax sin bx form. Okay. These type of questions are here given in your exercise 14D. So how you solve here if you are given a question in this form? Here you need not to apply strictly this rule of taking first and second function as logarithmic, inverse trigonometric, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. Okay, it will help you only. It is not necessary that every time it is valid. Okay, so if you are given in this form e power x into cos or any trigonometric function, here also e power x into sin something, then according to Liate, just see, here it is trigonometric function and this is exponential function. Here in this rule, exponential function is coming later while this trigonometric function is coming first. So according to rule, you have to take this trigonometric function as first one and e power x as second function. You can take, no problem. Sometimes there will be problem to take according to this rule. Okay. So here you can take e power x as first and cos bx as second. I will solve by taking both way. Since integration of second function means I have already explained in my previous video that you can take any one of them keeping in mind that which integration is known or which integration is quite easy to solve. Okay. So here e power ax integration easy, cos bx integration of trigonometric also known. Okay, so you can take any one of them as second and any one of them as first. By taking some example, I can solve just like e power 2x sin x, e power 2x into sin x. Yes. Now think, as per this rule, trigonometric function should be taken as first, take it as first, and this one as second. Okay. Since here these integrations or differentiation are endless process, means this is not going to end, to be end. So you have to let this integration is I. Initial, you can take this as I. Thereafter applying the formula, see, first function into integration of second e power 2x by 2 minus differentiation of first, that is cos x, integration of second e power 2x by 2, this by 2 will come out, dx. See, here in second term, further there are exponential and trigonometric functions, then you can further apply the same rule. Here 1 by 2 e power 2x sin x minus 1 by 2. Now further apply it according to the rule. This one should be taken as first and this one as second. Apply. So first function into integration of second e power 2x is e power 2x by 2 minus, now differentiation of cos x means first function, that is minus sin x, into integration of second, that is e power 2x by 2, this 2 here. Okay. Now see, it implies that 1 by 2 e power 2x sin x minus This 2 cancel 1 by 4 e power 2x cos x. Okay. Minus minus plus. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Sorry. This minus also. So it will become negative. Here minus into minus plus and this minus. Sin x e power. Sorry. Integration of sin x e power 2x into sin x dx. So see, initially you have taken as e power 2x into sin x dx is I. So at the place of this whole you can put I. So it is 1 by 4 I. Here it is I. Okay. So this is I is equal to 1 by 2 e power 2x sin x minus 1 by 4 e power 2x cos x minus 1 by 4i. This minus 1 by 4i you can transpose in left hand side. So it will become 1 by 4i and I. 5 by 4i is equal to 1 by 2 e power 2x. E power 2x taking common. Okay. Sin x minus 1 by 2 you have taken out. So 1 by 2 cos x plus, okay, plus c in last line. Okay, now I is equal to, it implies that I is equal to, here into 4 means 2 by 5. 2 by 5 e power 2x sin x minus 1 by 2 cos x. Okay, plus c. So this is your result by taking this as first and this one as second. Now if you want to take this one as first and this one as second, then also you will get the same result. You can try to take. Okay. In next question I will take reverse, means I will take sine trigonometric function as second and exponential as first in next question. Or just integration of e power 2x into sine 3x. So let this is I is equal to, this is your I given function e power 2x into sine 3x. Let me check, e power 2x into sine 3x. Okay, alright. So if I have to solve this one, this time you can take this one as, you are free to take this one as first or this one as first. Okay, I am just violating this rule. This is an exponential. So according to this, Liate, you can take this one as second, this one as first. But I am taking this one as second and this one as first. Let's see what is difference. Here it implies that, I am taking it implies that first function into integration of second, that is minus cos 3x by 3 minus differentiation of first e power 2x into 2 integration of second, that is cos minus cos 3x, this is plus upon 3 now dx. Okay, it implies that minus 1 by 3 e power 2x cos 3x, here plus 2 by 3. Okay, taking common. Now again this one, this 2 by 3 take it out. So again this one you can take as first, this one as second. Further by part. So first function into integration of second, that is sine 3x by 3 minus differentiation of first e power 2x into 2 integration of second sin 3x by 3 dx. Okay. Now see, e power 2x sin 3x you have already taken as I. So at the place of this you can put I. Okay, it implies that I is equal to minus 1 by 3 e power 2x cos 3x plus multiplying by 2 by 3 here. So 2 by 9 e power 2x sin 3x minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 4 by 9. Okay, and this one is your I. This is I is equal to. So minus 4 by 9 I you can transpose in left hand side. So I plus 4 by 9 13I by 9 is equal to minus 1 by 3 e power 2x cos 3x plus 2 by 9 e power 2x sin 3x. Now multiplying by this 9 to whole, here 9, here 3. So 13I is equal to, multiplying by 9 means minus 3 e power 2x cos 3x and plus 2 e power 2x sin 3x. Okay, it implies that here dividing by 13, so 1 by 13 e power 2x taking common, here you will get just taking this positive first, so 2 sin 3x minus 3 cos 3x plus c. This is your result. In this way, it is obvious that if trigonometric function and exponential functions are given, you can take any one of them as first and any other one as second. And first of all, you have to take this one as I, left. Now, one more question. Since formula is here and this rule is here, you have to learn these two. Now integration of log sin x. Log sin x. No, sin log x. Your question is sin log x. Okay. It is from 14D for second part. Integration sin log x. Okay, here dx. Now think, here it is a single function or two functions? Tell me. It is single function. Okay, since sin log x. Okay, so how can you apply by part? Applying into 1. Now what will you take? You have to take first one, which one? This one you need to take first and this one as second. I have already told you that if a single function is given, multiply by 1 and take this one as second function always. So now let I is equal to this one. So this implies that first function sin log x, integration of second x minus differentiation of first. Differentiation of first is what? Cos log x into 1 by x. Differentiation of first into 1 by x. Okay. Here into integration of second is x dx. Cancel out. So it implies x log sine log x minus here cos log x. So again just 1 into cos log x, take it like this, and this one as second and this one is as first. It's implies that x sine log x minus first function cos log x into integration of second, that is x, minus this minus minus plus here integration differentiation of first minus sine, so minus sine log x upon x into integration of second x dx. This x cancel out and this minus sign will come out, so this will become minus. Okay, now see what is here, integration sine log x dx. So integration sine log x here dx, it is I, so putting here I, so minus x cos log x, here x sine log x. Okay, this is I. So this minus I will come here, so 2i is equal to x taking common, so sine log x minus cos log x. Okay, now I is equal to x by 2 and thereafter sine log x minus cos log x plus c. Next question is e power x sine square x. E power x sine square x dx. So let I is equal to this one. Okay. Since here square of trigonometric function is present, that's why you need to convert first of all this sine square x into linear function by using, since cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Okay, so it implies that sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So applying that formula here, you will get e power x, here 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. So simplifying it, 1 by 2 outside, e power x integration minus 1 by 2 integration of e power x cos 2x dx. Okay, now simple, you can apply here formula, integration of e power x is e power x minus, here again you can take any one of them as first, let this one is first, second, and this one is first. Apply integration by part, first function cos 2x, integration of second e power 2x, e power x is here, minus differentiation of first, that is minus sine 2x into 2, integration of second e power x dx. Okay, so this implies that 1 by 2 e power x minus 1 by 2 e power x cos 2x, here minus minus plus and this minus, again minus 1 by 2 and 2, here simply e power x sine 2x dx. Okay, if you will take here again this one as first and this one as second, then see here you have taken this one as I, then this function since is of type e power x into cos bx, so this function can be taken as Here let I dash. Okay, so if you will further integrate it by taking first and second, here in one term you will get the same. So at that place you can put I dash and you can separately solve this, putting the value you will get answer. In this way all other questions you can solve from this exercise, and for any problem you can write in comment box so that I can explain, I can solve your problem. Thank you so much.